Good morning, Deric. We noticed that you're looking for this vehicle and you send us information to us. On behalf of Boss Mordor, thank you for contacting us. And I'm preparing a personal video for you for this beautiful 2015 Lexus CT200 hybrid. Kilometers has 33,883 kilometers. And the price was before for 22,888, but now it's been reduced another $1,000 for 21,888. This price is the best price I think on the market. The vehicle has no damage in the car parts, no liens, and the vehicle comes from Quebec. Fully safety certified, and bonus for this vehicle, it comes with winter tires and all season tires. Black interior inside, black leather interior inside with power windows, power door locks, and also power seat adjusts. Very clean. As I said to you, this vehicle is in our lot. If you have time to come to take a look, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. And I'm very happy to assist you. There's a good size of trunk at the back too, and it comes with the cover of the trunk. So as I can show you, this vehicle is very clean, and you still have a warranty and service until 160,000 kilometers. Today is the Thursday, the 7th, November 2019, and our business hours to be open is between 9 in the morning to 7 p.m. Thank you.